Hi, this is UD Tech. Welcome back to my channel. You may see this kind of anime avatar on YouTube. Many popular YouTube channels are using this kind of anime avatar. In today's video, I will share the method of creating this kind of anime avatar with AI, and after watching this video, you will be an expert in making this kind of avatar, so let's dive in.
To create an anime avatar, first, we need to create the avatar portrait. You can do it with any portrait or image generator. I will use Leonardo AI to do this. After coming to the Leonardo AI dashboard, select the image generation tool. After that, select a fine-tune model. From here I am selecting Albedo Base Excel from here. Now enter your text prompt. I already have prompt. I'm entering this one. You can use your own or can use my prompt. I will give my prompt in the description below. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button. And here it is. Leonardo AI generated for images for us. If you don't like the portrait, you can generate it again. And here are they. That one looks so good. If you don't want the face mask, then just delete the face mask part of the prompt and generate it again. And here is our result. Okay. I will use this one as my anime avatar. Select the one you want to use. Now, you can see the quality of the image. Okay, let's click on the download icon. From here to save the image on your device. Alright, our portrait is ready. Now, it's time to select a voice for him. You can record your own voice or generate a voice with AI. This time I will generate a voice over with AI. If you want to use your own voice, you can skip this part. To generate the voice, I will use Fliki AI. Fliki is an AI-powered video and audio generator tool. Search for Fliki AI on your browser, and then select the first website. Now, click on Start for free, and then create an account. After creating an account, you will be on this page. Now to create your audio file, click on the new file from here. As we want to create an audio file only, select audio only from here. After that, select language and accents from here. As I want to generate a voiceover in English language, in US accent, so I won't change anything. Then give a title of your file. Next, select empty file from here. After all is set, hit the submit button. After coming to the Freaky Creator page, we have to enter our script here. Before that, let's select a voice actor. Click on the voice over actor's name from here. Now, you will find a vast number of natural sounding voice actors here. Listen to some of them, and then select the most suitable one for you. And yes, don't forget to click on apply this voice to all voiceovers from here. Okay, now enter the video script here after that. Okay, now click on the download button from here, and then click on start export, and then hit the start button. It will take some time to render the audio. Let's skip this part. After completing the rendering process, click on the download button to download the audio clip. Alright, our avatar and audio are ready. Now, let's bring life to our avatar. And to do this, I will use ArtFlow AI. It's a tool for creating storytelling videos. I will put the link in the description also. Okay, first of all, search for ArtFlow AI on Google and then click on the first link. Now, we have to create an account first. Come to the left tool panel and then click on sign up from here. Now create an account with your email and Google account. After creating the account, come to the left tool panel and select the Videosterate tool. Here you will notice some template videos. We don't need it. Click on new video from here. This is the art file video creator page. First, the background scene. You can add background to your scene. As we generate our avatar with the proper background, we don't need it. Come to the character tab from here. You will notice some pre-built characters here, but we won't use them. So come to the upload tab, and then upload the avatar generated by Leonardo AI. After uploading the avatar, insert it into the canvas. You can notice that AI is detecting the face. As you can see, there is a mic icon. We have to activate it. To do this, click here. Now, we have to add our dialogue. You can use the ArtFlow AI voice generator to create dialogue, but we have the voiceover already. So click on the upload tab from here. Now upload the voiceover file. After uploading the voiceover, click on Use this audio. After that, you can add some animation also, but this time I will skip it. Alright, now click on the export button from here. To download the final video, give a name to your video clip, and then hit the export video button. Now, it will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward this part. Okay, our video is ready. Click on the video. You can see a preview here. To download the video, click on the download button from here, and our video has been downloaded on our device. Let's play the video.
Hi, this is UD Tech. Welcome back to my channel. You may see this kind of anime avatar on YouTube. Many popular YouTube channels are using this kind of anime avatar.
You may notice a watermark here. To remove it, you can buy an ArtFlow subscription, or can use another AI tool to remove the watermark. Alright, friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating an anime avatar with AI, and results in the comment section below. Share your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.